Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to find or delete your search history on the Facebook app, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to manage your search history easily. Let's get started. First, make sure your Facebook app is open on your device. Now tap on the three horizontal bars, sometimes referred to as the hamburger icon. This will open up the main menu where you can access more detailed settings page. Now you need to find activity log. This is where all the activities on Facebook are logged, including your searches. Now scroll down looking for your Facebook profile information or your Facebook activity. Inside your activity log, you might see a lot of different types of activities. To find your searches, specially tap on category at the top and select logged actions and other activity from the drop down menu. Once you're viewing your search history, you'll see all the searches you've made in chronological order. To delete a single search, simply swipe left on the search entry and tap on the trash bin icon that appears. If you want to clear your entire search history at once, look for the option Clear Searches at the top of the list and tap on it. Remember, once you delete your search history, there's no way to recover it. So make sure you really want to clear it before doing so. And that's it. That's how you can manage your search history on the Facebook app.